Hi there, I'm Bo. I'm from Boutique Realty and I'm coming to you from 3 Cardena Crescent in Augustine Heights. Here we have a 4-bedroom home. Has a double garage, 2 bathrooms and huge outdoor entertaining area. Fly screens throughout and tiled through. We have a bedroom at the front of the house. All the rooms have ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. So as I said, there's 4 bedrooms in total. So this will be bedroom number 3. There's a huge double garage. I apologise, the power is out. There is a door that goes to the clothesline out that way. So separate toilet, master bathroom. Here's our kitchen. Quite a large kitchen. Awesome breakfast bench. It's electric cooking and dishwasher. And then a gas cooktop. Augustine Heights, we're on bottled gas here. And if you need assistance with getting any electricity and gas connected, our team can help you with that. So the main living room has a Kelvinator air conditioner. Here we've got another bedroom. Built-in robes. Oh, I've missed an awesome big cupboard. Laundry. And then our master bedroom. Master bedroom's also air conditioned, ceiling fan with an ensuite. The ensuite's got a huge shower. Okay, so I'll take you out into the backyard. As I mentioned, it does have a huge outdoor patio area. Plenty of privacy. You don't have any neighbours over the backside. I'm sorry, I did leave the gate open. That was the way I came in. So yeah, gorgeous. You can see the sun setting over the back there. So if this looks like the house for you, we'd love to show you through. So jump on our website, apply now and book yourself an inspection.